AC Petite microcar. Have you ever thought a car could be so small that it feels more like a scooter with a roof? Imagine living in post-war Britain, where fuel was expensive, money was tight, and owning a full-size car was a dream for most. That's when the AC Petite appeared, a three-wheel microcar designed to make driving possible for everyday families. This little vehicle was built between 1952 and 1957 by AC Cars Limited. At first glance, it looks almost like a toy, but under its small frame was a serious attempt to bring affordable motoring to the people. With its lightweight body and compact size, the Petite was not just quirky, it was practical. It featured a 350 cubic centimeter Villiers two-stroke engine, producing 8 to 12 horsepower, depending on the version. That may sound tiny, but it gave the Petite enough strength to reach 40 miles per hour while delivering an impressive fuel economy of around 70 miles per gallon. Driving the Petite wasn't about speed or luxury, it was about independence. It had 3 wheels, a simple design, and space just enough for 2. Families who couldn't dream of a full-size car could finally travel together without relying on buses or bicycles. It was freedom wrapped in steel and powered by simplicity. The AC Petite reminds us that sometimes innovation comes in the smallest packages. It wasn't built to impress, it was built to help people move forward during tough times. So, would you trade horsepower for independence? Would you choose simplicity if it meant freedom? Backhand index pointing right subscribe now to learn more stories of machines that shaped everyday life.